Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Module 1B of my full Python course for beginners. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel to enroll into the course, and let's get started. So today we are going to talk about simple data types in Python. Last time we had this Module 1A notebook where we didn't actually write any code, we just kind of looked around the environment for a little bit. So I'm just going to change this file to Module 1B and call it simple data types. So what is a data type? Well, first of all, what's the point? So right now I'm speaking a sentence in just logically. You're going to want to represent that in a computer, and we would do that with a data type that's called a string. It's good for text. Well, maybe I'm counting, so I have 1, 2, 3 things. I'm going to want to represent that in a computer, and so the type of that would be an integer. I also have floating point values, so maybe 1.2, 0.7. You're going to want to represent that differently than you would a text, so a string, or an integer, a discrete value. That is a floating point value in Python. So it's called a float for decimal, and string for text, and integer for, well, int for integer, actually. So we can look at these things by writing type of something. So what type does is you give it, and it's a function. So again, we'll talk about those later. But what a function is it takes something in for now. So here it is, type, and we are going to input, say, a string. So we use strings in Python by writing double quotes or single quotes. So we wrap the whole thing around it, and we write, say, the string of this is a sentence. And so its main point is to have text. So the type of this thing that we passed is a string. Because I did double quotes, it knows that's what that is. And we would use that anytime we want text. So we might also want an integer. So if I did the type of, say, if I just do 1, well, without any quotes, it is not a string, so it is a integer. So it's going to output that as an int in Python. And the last one that we're really going to need, actually 2 more, sorry, type of 1.2 is float. So we have, again, and I know I'm killing it, but it's really important to understand these few things. Put in quotes or single quotes does exactly the same thing in Python. Type of this thing is a string. Type of 1 is an int. Type of 1.2 is a float. And lastly, for these simple data types, we have a Boolean value, which basically just takes on 2 different values. It means it is or is not. It is true or it is false. So we can have these things called true. This is just true in Python. It means that it is true. And we have false. So these, you might think that this is very useless right now. Why do we want something that only takes on 2 values when this string let us do anything, and integers, we have so many of those? Well, actually the most common things, and you're not going to be ever writing the word false, but the idea of true and false variables, we're going to find out, is essential to all of programming, not just Python. But the idea of a Boolean value is extremely important. So hopefully this made sense. Of course, the last thing I should do is type of this thing, and it would also be type of true is a bool for Boolean value. Either it is or it is not. So here are the elementary data types in Python. If you like, again, how I talk and you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that, and I will see you in Module 1C.